What country are you from?
I am from Turkey.
Is Turkey a big country?
Yes, quite big.
Is Turkey in Asia?
Partly yes, partly Europe.
Is Turkey beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful.
Do you like Turkey?
Yes, I love it.
What city are you from?
I am from Istanbul.
Is Istanbul big?
Yes, very big city.
Is Istanbul nice?
Yes, amazing city.
Where are you from?
I am from Morocco.
Is Morocco in Africa?
Yes, North Africa indeed.
Is Morocco beautiful?
Yes, very colorful country.
What city in Morocco?
I am from Casablanca.
Is Casablanca big?
Yes, very big city.
Do you like Morocco?
Yes, I love Morocco.
Is this a globe?
Yes, world globe here.
Can you find Turkey?
Yes, right here, look.
Can you find Morocco?
Yes, found it here.
Are they close countries?
Not very close, no.
Are they both Muslim countries?
Yes, both Muslim countries.
Do you speak Arabic?
Yes, I speak Arabic.
Do you speak Turkish?
Yes, Turkish is mine.
Do you speak English too?
Yes, learning English now.
Is English important?
Yes, very important globally.
Is English hard to learn?
A little, but fun.
How long learning English?
About 1 year now.
Is your English good?
Getting better every day.
Do you study English daily?
Yes, every single day.
What do you use?
Apps and YouTube videos.
Do videos help you?
Yes, very helpful indeed.
Do you travel much?
Yes, I love traveling.
Which countries did you visit?
A few European countries.
Did you visit Morocco?
Not yet, want to.
Did you visit Turkey?
Not yet, same here.
Do you want to visit?
Yes, definitely want to.
What is Turkey famous for?
History, food, and tea.
Do you like Turkish food?
Yes, very delicious food.
What is Moroccan food like?
Very spicy and tasty.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy.
What language is on globe?
English labels on it?
Can you read them?
Yes, most of them.
Is reading English getting easier?
Yes, slowly getting easier.
Do you know many countries?
Yes, quite a few.
What is the biggest country?
Russia is the biggest.
What is the smallest country?
Vatican is the smallest.
How many countries exist?
About 195.
That is a lot.
Yes, big world indeed.
Which continent is biggest?
Asia is the biggest.
Which continent is smallest?
Australia is the smallest.
Do you know all continents?
Yes, 7 continents total.
Name the 7 continents.
Asia, Africa, Europe, Americas, Australia.
Did I miss any?
Yes, Antarctica also exists.
Is Antarctica cold?
Yes, extremely cold there.
Do people live there?
Just scientists live there.
Is the globe accurate?
Yes, quite accurate indeed.
Do you use maps often?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you prefer globe or map?
Globe looks more fun.
Is globe useful for learning?
Yes, very educational tool.
Did you study geography?
Yes, at school, always.
Is geography interesting?
Yes, very interesting subject.
Do you know capitals?
Yes, many capitals known.
What is Turkey's capital?
Ankara is the capital.
What is Morocco's capital?
Rabat is the capital.
Is Rabat big?
Yes, nice big city.
Have you been to Rabat?
Yes, I live nearby.
Is it a nice city?
Yes, very nice city.
Do you want to travel more?
Yes, my biggest dream.
Where do you want to go?
Japan and Canada next.
Is Japan far from Morocco?
Yes, very far away.
Is Canada far from Turkey?
Yes, very far too.
Is English useful for travel?
Yes, everywhere people understand.
Can English connect the world?
Yes, absolutely connects everyone.
Are you glad learning English?
Yes, very glad indeed.
Will English help your future?
Yes, opens many doors.
Do you feel more confident?
Yes, slowly more confident.
Shall we keep learning together?
Yes, let us go.